And what this theorem is saying is that it's kind of like the intermediate value theorem, but this one's for integrals. It says that if the area, if I'm gonna keep this for conceptual reasons, visualization, as area underneath this curve, this left side. Let's call it area, assuming f is positive. What this says is that that area, there's a number inside of here, c, such that this is f of c, and f of c times b minus a, in other words, this area is the same as the yellow area underneath the curve. So there is some value. The function will give us a height in there so that we have a rectangle that will give you basically the same value as the integral itself for some value c. So that's kind of interesting. And so this is more of a theoretical result in a lot of ways. But, so that's the theorem. Now let's take a look at an example. Find the c guaranteed by the MVT for the integrals on 0 to 3. So we have to set up. We'll start off like this. From 0 to 3. We know that will be f of c times 3 minus 0. Now, let's go ahead and evaluate this. This is x to the 4th over 4, from 0 to 3. Now, f of c is c to the 3rd, and then times that 3 here. Okay, so this side over here is 81 over 4 equals 3c to the 3rd. So that tells us that c to the 3rd is equal to 27 over 4. And that c would actually be equal to the 3rd root of 27/4. So that's going to be a 3 over the 3rd root of 4. And, well, that's approximately, we expect it to be between 0 and 3. Let's see what we get. That's about a 1.9 in there. So it is on that interval. That's what we want to verify, that it was there. And essentially what it's saying is that if you take that height, like I was saying up here, if you take that height, the f of 3, well, say f of 1.9, and you multiply it by the 3 minus 0, you should get that integral, the 81 over 4. You should get that. So this is 1.9 to the 3rd times 3. So I can do a quick check on that. And that number is about 20.5. 577. And notice over here, 81 over 4 is about 20.25. Well, there's some rounding here because I rounded this number. Okay, if you had cubed that, you would have had 27.4 times 3, which is the 81 over 4. Okay, so anyhow, it's an interesting theorem, mean value theorem for integrals.